Even Mumbai rain cannot stop Rubina Dilaik from wearing a lehenga video. As Rubina Dilaik carefully took each step to avoid getting water on her lehenga, fans praised her efforts and work ethic. Amid the heavy Mumbai rains, television star Rubina Dilaik made a head-turning entry at the sets of the celebrity couple reality show Patti Patni or Panga. The actress was seen struggling with her heavy lehenga as she carefully took each step to avoid reunioning her gorgeous ensemble. On Wednesday, September 17, the actress appeared at the set along with her husband Abhinav Shukla, looking stunning as usual. But it was her efforts towards saving her lehenga that grabbed the attention of fans. Rubina Dilaik and Abhinav Shukla appear at the set of Pati Patni or Panga. In the videos captured by paparazzi, Rubina Dilaik was seen wearing a gorgeous blue lehenga adorned with white floral prints all over it. The lehenga skirt further featured thin golden linings at the bottom, giving the outfit a festive vibe. Her blouse, featuring the same design as her skirt, grabbed attention with its deep plung neckline and intricate design. Rubina Dilaik also carried a matching dupatta on her shoulder featuring the same golden borders at the bottom. Rubina Dilaik's choice of accessories stole the entire spotlight as she opted for a multi-layer heavy kundan and beaded necklace and matching jhumkas, taking her look to another level. As Rubina Dilaik carefully took each step to avoid getting water on her lehenga, fans praised her efforts and work ethic, calling her workaholic Ruby. In the video, Rubina Dilaik's husband Abhinav Shukla was seen flying her to the sets. The actor opted for a light peach kurta set with intricate white thread work all over the chest, cuff, and bottom area, giving the kurta a regal feel. He completed the show-stopping ensemble with white pajamas and brown shoes. The couple posed together for the shutterbugs before heading inside for shooting. Rubina Dilaik on the work front. The Choti Bahu star is currently seen on the widely popular celebrity couple reality show Patti Patni or Panga alongside husband Abhinav Shukla. Besides appearing on the show, Rubina Dilaik is currently working on Palash Muchal's upcoming film Hum Tum Maktoob alongside Rubina Dilaik. The film will also star Rajpal Jadab, Mustaq Khan and Lilliput among others in prominent roles. The film is also said to feature a special cameo by Tiger Shroff. After Earth, this film marks Rubina Dilaik and Palash's second collaboration. The release date and additional information about the film are still under wraps. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more information.